This
You're
is...
still speaking to me, are you?
I don't know. I need to tell you this. We have just waffled on
For
half an hour. For half an hour, Mark went to turn it off and realised he hadn't actually pressed the record button.
Yeah. So as you know, we
do
sit down at the dinette and we do what we call our waffle, which is then edited into the video.
He didn't press the record button.
Didn't press the record button. And normally, the trick I do is, as I go to the camera, I go, haven't pressed the record button.
But this time was true.
I actually went to do the...
But anyway...
So here we are again.
Take two.
First time for you, but second time for us. And I've actually forgot what I said the first time.
Yeah, so this is just a little mishmash of bits and pieces over the last few weeks. We've had a fair set of weathers. We've had spring, summer, winter, freezing cold, boiling hot. It's been a mishmash of everything, isn't it, really?
Yeah, but when the weather has been nice, we've taken the opportunity to get out there and have a barbecue along with everybody else. Yeah, and the community spirit along here.
Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. We've made really good friends. And
communal barbecues. We've had our own little solitary barbecues out there. But
it's been lovely.
Has been great. What have we just had, Deborah?
We've just had a lovely fish barbecue. It was lovely.
Yeah, I didn't actually video any. I'll put some pictures up probably now as we speak. We've done some large king prawns on skewers,
which I've waited 7 months for.
Yeah, and we made up some of our, which we always do, salmon and cod skewers with tomatoes, peppers. Yeah, we actually went to buy some from the supermarket. 4 skewers, salmon and cod fish skewers, $15.99.
There weren't cod on them. There was only salmon.
Sorry.
Salmon.
Yeah, my mistake.
4 for 15 quid. So we made them ourselves.
Yeah, had a beautiful evening. We've now just chilling with a drink and now going to pan to the barbecue. Yeah, so the fire pit that I reviewed a few videos back, we actually used the grill attachment with some charcoal and barbecued on that tonight. This is what we have to put up with.
It's a hard life.
Yeah, although can't wait to get moving again soon. And there's the absolutely idyllic view from our picnic bench right next to the canal.
Yeah, so we've been really lucky. We've got a pair of swans that have mated and they're now nesting in the marina. But the the male is very, very aggressive. To the point where, I mean, he's aggressive with everybody. At first I thought it was just Mark, but he's aggressive with everybody.
He's jumped across boats, flown for me, everything, just to get to me.
If he sees Mark in the distance, that's it. He comes for
flies
him.
The full length of the marina
to get to him.
To get to me.
It's scary for you,
isn't
it, really?
Yeah. As you'll see. And I just whistled to him and he calmed down, and I've now got to try and walk fast. Get out. He's never impressed to see me. Chase me back.
Mile up the towpath, or a few miles by road. Venetia Marina. It's a beautiful marina, and we had some friends cruising through who moored just above.
Yeah. Christine and Richie, if you're watching.
Chumpston Lock.
Chumpston. Yeah, it's spelt Cholmondstone, but we've had it on good authority. Got
Yeah,
good authority.
was told in no uncertain terms.
Chumston Lock.
Yeah, but they weren't. We actually went
popped
to
up to
see
see
them,
them,
and they weren't there. So we missed them.
Yeah, so we've got no footage of us visiting our friends other than visiting the marina when our friends weren't there.
It was a lovely day, so we sat and had an ice cream. Though
Yes,
that was
yes.
good. Yeah.
Where are we, Deborah?
Venetian Marina.
Yeah, we've just come for a little drive. We've got friends who have moored up just above the
Fingers crossed they're still
just
there.
above the lock. So we're going to see if they're there.
Yeah. So I was sitting outside on the picnic benches.
And what was it you heard?
I heard a baby lamb. I'm not going to make the
They've
noise.
actually done the impression a little while ago.
I'm not going to make the noise, but I heard a baby lamb and I got so excited. And made Mark walk me over there. And they'd only just been born. They were beautiful. I do like a bit of lamb.
Yeah, but we was actually
They were beautiful.
What was we due to have that week?
Lamb biryani.
And what do we have instead?
Prawn biryani.
Yeah, because Deb didn't have the heart to buy lamb.
No, but I do like a bit of lamb. But oh gosh, they were beautiful.
Yeah, I think they're a rare breed.
They are.
Yeah.
They are. They've got they're curly haired with a
black
little
nose,
black
yeah, but
nose.
they are
beautiful. And even the sheep are lovely. Yeah.
Yes, and we had a lovely virtual catch-up with Mark and Julie from We're on the Move. Anybody hasn't seen their channel, I'll put I can't put a link, can I? Yes, I can.
know.
I think I can put a link for you, Mark and Julie,
Yeah.
in the description
It
below.
was absolutely wonderful to have a catch up with them because we hadn't spoken to them for ages. It was about an hour and a half.
Put the world to rights.
It was.
I think we worked out what whiskey that I had when I was on Mark's boat was a Jura.
Yeah.
So Deb has treated me to some Jura,
Yeah.
and it's very nice. Yeah.
But it was absolutely wonderful having a catch up with them. It really was. They're really good friends.
And with the warmer weather brings warmer weather antics. Although
Goodness me.
we've haven't actually participated in them.
Well, I won't.
Yeah, somebody a few boats down have bought an inflatable
Kayak or canoe. We're not quite sure.
Yeah, you'll see it. Tell me what you think it is, a kayak or a canoe.
Canoe? A canoe.
Yeah, so they've had some fun in that.
Yes,
everybody's
been in it except
apart
us.
from us. Yeah, I think we've always been either out or occupied. Yeah. And when we have been about, the weather's not been nice enough.
No, so Mark's looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to filming it.
Yeah, and with the warmer weather, people are getting out on the boats.
Yeah, so many spaces.
Yeah, and seeing boats coming and going.
How lucky are
Yeah,
they?
whether it's for weekends. We had our one weekend at the end of March.
Church Minshaw,
Yeah, but since then we've been
inundated with appointments.
Inundated with appointments.
Yeah.
So we haven't been able to
Managed
find that
to.
gap with the nice weather. Yeah, but all Deb's treatment's finished now,
Yeah.
so it's just a matter of tying up loose ends,
Some
and
loose ends,
hopefully early part of June we shall be
Continuous cruisers.
Just take your time.
Dad, have you got her?
And plonk. Sit down. Yay! How are you getting out? I don't know.
Don't make it last too much.
Hello.
Oh shit!
Don't make any noise. Scary.
some of you may have seen our spur of the moment live. Is it a broadcast or live video feed for Deb's birthday last Sunday?
That he sprung upon me.
Yeah,
I didn't have a clue.
yeah, but good fun.
It was good fun. It
Har-
was
harder than-
stressful.
Harder than I thought it was.
Goodness me,
as
stressful.
I said in the live video, because you've got people's comments, it's hard not to just spend your whole
Yeah, so
time.
if we look like we were
You just
rubbish
saw the
at
top
it,
of it. Yeah, we do
was-
apologise.
We
but
do apologise.
The reason I bring it up, we mentioned in that live video feed, I got hiccups or a burp. The reason we've just edited out a giggle session. The reason I'm bringing this up, we mentioned that we've been struggling with a logo.
Yeah.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
We know what we want. Just getting it down on paper or whatever,
Yeah.
we haven't been able to do. But we mentioned it in the live. Been inundated with offers and people sending designs in, and we've picked the design that's been
Yes.
sent in. So anybody else who've sent anything in, thank you so much.
Yes.
And I feel guilty letting people down, you know.
Well, they just sent the pictures.
Yeah,
I mean,
I know.
It's,
yeah,
and
so thank
we have
you
to pick one.
Yeah, thank you to anybody who's sent anything
Yeah,
in, and all the others
been
who've
brilliant.
offered to do stuff. Thank you, but we have now actually
Decided.
on a logo, and it was on the button, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one person just nailed exactly what we wanted. So
Yeah.
we'll be revealing that in a few weeks' time.
Watch this space.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that's about it.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
apart from thank you so much to everybody who's
Yeah.
popped round bringing gifts, or we will go out, do a little bit of shop, and we'll come back. Somebody's popped something.
In the crash.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's
Just
yeah,
we are so humbled
yeah, so humbling.
and so happy. I mean, we've had people come to the marina to see us as well, and that's just absolutely wonderful. We've met some wonderful people, and like I say, with your kind gifts and everything.
And just the continued support over on Patreon and PayPal,
Yeah, yeah,
and
it's-
all the new patrons.
Yeah, we're just
I've still
blown
yet
away.
to now that we're getting back into the regular videos.
Mm.
I'll get my end roll done on the video, so everybody gets a name in the credits. I do apologise that hasn't been running, and the new patrons haven't had the shout outs that the early ones did. But now we're getting back to what we were originally doing,
Yeah.
continuous cruising.
Now that all of my treatment has stopped, we
Yes,
can get back to
that's
normal.
all done. Yeah,
Yeah, so-
So we'll get all that back to normal. But again, just thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And that's about it. So if
Yeah.
you've enjoyed this little video,
Press the like button.
if you haven't already subscribed,
Press the subscribe button.
if you want future notifications of any of the videos we upload,
The bell icon.
and keep your comments coming.
Yeah,
Yeah,
love
really
your
do love your
comments.
comments.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all next time.
Bye.